How to adjust how focus picking looks when using manual focus in Pro or Pro video mode on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Next, tap on the control button and then tap on the settings icon. From the camera settings page, we scroll down and tap on Camera Assistant. Then tap on Focus Picking in Pro mode. Here at the top, you can tap on the toggle button to always shows Focus Picking. And here you can choose a different color mode. So we got green, red, yellow, blue, and white. So by default, it is set to green. You can also change the line thickness from thin to medium to thick. I'll leave it at medium. Now if we go back into the camera and we will switch the mode to Pro mode. Here, if you notice on the pictures here, you can see it shows outline in green color. This indicates that the subject is now in focus. Now this works when you are changing it to manual mode. So here we'll change it to manual, and then you can see as the picture or the subject is out of focus, there is not much green outline, but as it comes into focus, there will be more green colors or outlines right here. And there you go. So this is showing that it's now in focus, and once it is in focus, you can then capture the shot. And there it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.